Colonel Gerald Paul Carr, USMC, was an American mechanical and aeronautical engineer, United States Marine Corps officer, naval aviator, and NASA astronaut. He was commander of Skylab 4, the third and final crewed visit to the Skylab Orbital Workshop, from November 16, 1973, to February 8, 1974. Carr was born in Denver, Colorado, on August 22, 1932, but was raised in Santa Ana, California, which he considered his hometown. He was the son of Frida L. and Thomas E. Carr. He was active in the Boy Scouts of America, where he achieved its highest rank, Eagle Scout. Carr graduated from Santa Ana High School in Santa Ana in 1950. Carr received a Bachelor of Engineering degree in Mechanical Engineering from the University of Southern California in 1954. He spent 5 years flying fighter jets, then returned to school. He earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering from the U.S. Naval Postgraduate School in 1961 and a Master of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering from Princeton University in 1962. Carr married his high school sweetheart, Joanne Ruth Petrie. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.